Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna learn how we can take leftover supplies from the Christmas season and make decor for the other seasons. So in this video, we're gonna specifically use acrylic rounds and we're gonna learn how to make a beautiful Easter garland for an office space, for your bedroom. So let's get started on the materials we will be using for today's project. First thing we're gonna grab is our matte white printable sticker vinyl. This sticker vinyl is absolutely the best that I have used. It is so soft, it is a smooth finish, and it can be customized with laminate sheets, but for this project, we're gonna want to stay with the matte white finish. We're going to go ahead and grab our acrylic rounds. These acrylic rounds are acrylic ornaments that come in a pack of 10. You can find them on the teckwrapcraft website. And as you can see, we're only going to need 5 for this project. However, if you want to make your garland longer, you can go ahead and use all 10 or just a few more. And then of course, my absolute favorite squeegee, this teckwrap squeegee that comes with a felt lining on the side. And then we will be needing our needle pen. And last but not least, our teckwrap standard tack mat. Now coming over to Cricut Design Space, I'm going to use the images I've gathered from searching Easter or springtime, and I found this beautiful collection of images from the same artist, so I'm going to go ahead and resize those a little bit. Now bringing it over to our shapes tab, I'm going to take a circle shape. Using the sizing of our acrylic rounds, I'm going to make a mock-up, essentially, on our canvas. This is a step where you can mess around with the sizing of your images. You can use the circle as a reference to see how about big or small you need your images to be to fit onto your ornaments. And one strong tip I highly suggest is to never forget to flatten your images if they are not already in a print and cut setting. Just because you're gonna want to make sure that all the images are compatible with the print and cut. Now that everything is set up and to our liking, we're going to go ahead and remove the circles, because remember, these circles were only used for size referencing. So now let's go ahead and click Make. Once we have our images over here, everything is sized and spaced to the way we want it to be. So we're just going to go ahead and send this sheet to our printer. Another tip that I like to give is to always use your own printer settings. So here I just mess around with the paper type that I'm using and the quality that I want for my print. Now we're going to go ahead and set our base material. So over on Browse Materials, I'm going to search sticker paper. This is my universal setting that I like to use when working with any kind of sticker paper. And because my blade is dull, I'm going to apply more pressure. Now that everything is printed and cut, I loved how the images turned out. So now we're going to go ahead and peel off the protective layer from the acrylic ornaments. For this, I'm carefully using my needle pen just to get a little bit lifted from the edge, and then I will just peel off the rest. Now we're going to go ahead and just take our designs from the sticker vinyl and place it onto an ornament. This first ornament came out so cute, I can't wait to do the rest. So now we're going to repeat that same process for the other ornaments. Having them all done right in front of me, I am obsessed with the way they look. The print quality and attention to detail is amazing, and I just can't wait to put this garland together. However, once I saw these, I thought it needed something else. I think it needs a pop of color. So I've decided that on the back part of the ornaments, I'm going to be placing vinyl. So using our 001 vinyl series, we're going to go ahead and put these paint strokes or paint effect to the back of these ornaments. Because these ornaments are clear, it makes it very easy for me to be able to mix and match different vinyls before actually placing them on. So here I'm just testing to see which color I like with each ornament. And then I place my vinyl down with the sticking part facing up, and I just mess around with the positioning of it. And we will be repeating these same steps for every ornament. Now, as we apply our final piece of 001 G Series vinyl, we have completed a beautiful Easter garland reusing holiday ornaments. I believe this is the most stunning project I have done so far, and I am so glad we added those pieces in. Thank you so much for following along on this tutorial with me. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a like. And if you would like to see more tutorials like this, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!